Japan has the second highest life expectancy in the world. Currently, the average life expectancy in Japan is at 85.03, but it's not always been this high. Back in the 1960s, Japan had a much lower life expectancy, an average of 66.4 years. So, what changed, and why do Japanese people now live longer? The Japanese have a higher life expectancy due to fewer deaths from heart diseases and cancer. This remarkable longevity and good health is also due to a low rate of obesity and the unique diet. The life expectancy for women in Japan is about 87.7 years, while for men it is 81.5 years. Thus, someone born in Japan in 2021 could expect to live to the age of 85 years. According to experts, one of the factors behind the high life expectancy of Japanese is their diet. The Japanese diet is characterized by low consumption of red meat and high consumption of fish and plant-based foods such as soybeans and tea. In the early 1960s, Japanese life expectancy was low, mainly due to high mortality from cerebrovascular diseases and stomach cancer. The Japanese people adopted a diet with less salt to reduce the risk of such diseases. Many experts have also attributed the high life expectancy to the low rate of obesity in the country. In Japan, only 3.6% of Japanese have a body mass index or BMI over 30, which is the international standard for obesity. In the US, 32% of Americans have BMI over 30. A total of 66.5% of Americans have BMI over 25, making them overweight, while only 24.7% of the Japanese are overweight. Well, if you wish to be healthy and last till 100, you will have to eat like a healthy person who has lived 100 years. In Japan's Okinawa, there are 68 centenarians for every 100,000 inhabitants. Japanese eating habits center around the concept of hara hachibu, or everything in moderation. Hara hachibu is a phrase that serves as a reminder to stop eating when one's stomach is 80% full. According to research, it takes our brain about 15 to 20 minutes to register that our stomach is full. By practicing hara hachibu or eating 80% of our stomach's capacity and eating slowly, we can avoid eating extra. If you stop eating when you think you're 80% full, you're likely to be actually 100% full, but you just don't know it yet. In the quest for longevity, what we eat matters too. Just like Okinawa's centenarians try to maintain a plant-based diet, eat meals consisting of nutritious stir-fried beans, spinach, mustard greens, sweet potatoes, and tofu. Okinawans avoid eating pork and other meats, and even when they do, meat is a very small part of their meal. Make small changes in your diet to practice hara hachibu. Practice mindful eating and eat all things but in moderation, and do not obsess over calorie intake or weight loss. Eat slowly so that your brain can get the signal that you are full even when you have not eaten too much. Focusing on food and turning off television sets and digital media can help you practice mindful eating so that you can savor more but consume less. Use smaller plates and small spoons to eat so that you eat less even when you are not actively thinking about it. For more on health, diet, and longevity, tune into ShowFit.